What's going on, everybody? So we're going to do a quick video on a Cascadia front bumper replacement. So those of you that have the Freightliner Cascadia, you know that these bumpers tend to break very easily. So good option for you guys is something like this. You can buy the aftermarket replacement from your local Freightliner. We get ours here from Southern California Velocity. Really the same thing. That's the part number. You just have to assemble it. This does have the fog light holes for it, so really easy. It's a three-piece. It's very easy to cheaper alternative than getting the original one. This is the original one that's all busted up. They do sell it to you in pieces, left side, center, and then the right side. Okay. The downside of that is it gets very expensive because they sell it to you by side, by section, and it could be about $200-300 per. So if you buy the complete assembly, I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put it together and do it yourself. So again, save yourself some money, make your truck look nice, and let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, as you can tell, look, it comes together nicely wrapped up, all nice and protected. You have your hardware. Okay, you are going to need your Torx, I think, or Allen. Anyway, once you get that, you'll put it together. It's very simple. I'm going to try to show you guys as best I can how to do that. Again, comes all protected, looks all pretty. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so you can tell this is really all you're gonna need to put this together. Real simple. I'm gonna have Tony here help me out. So this is the unboxing. I'm just trying to do it actually now with my GoPro. I did it all with my phone. Not always the most easiest thing to do. Well, you need your two hands. So this is what you're gonna get when you open up your new bumper replacement. Okay, you have the centerpiece, which is ready to go. And check this out. This is what's gonna go, if you can see that, this is the receptacle that's gonna go into the bottom part of the bumper, which is just over there. You have one on the left and one on the right. You really can't mix it up or mess it up. It's actually really nice. Very easy to assemble. These you don't need. This is just for packaging. Take a look. Again, take this off. You don't need it. That's gonna be just junk. Let's make sure I'm recording, give you guys a decent picture. Yeah, there we go. So again, these are your points of contact. You're gonna have three. If you can see it here, you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, and the same goes on the left side, 1, 2, 3. All you need is maybe something like this. Okay, and you're gonna need a socket, which is a T30. That's it. Once you have a T30, okay, that's all you need is a T30 and a little cordless impact, and you're ready to go. So again, you're gonna have your left side and your right side. Tony's gonna give me a hand really quick. We're gonna unbox this and go from there. So let's take a look what side we have. That's literally all you're gonna do is take that out. You're gonna go ahead, and if you have two people, it makes it a lot easier. You can do it with just one. This is actually the first time I've seen that loose. But we'll take a look. Maybe that has to go with another piece. We'll find out right now in a second. It's kind of weird. Hold on. I'm gonna tighten that up. I've never seen that loose before.
Okay guys, so actually it's a lot easier if you just flip it over and work on it over, for example, over the box or over the tire, whatever's easier for you. But for me, it's a lot easier. So flip it over, get your T30, get your bolts ready, and you're gonna see just how easy it is to actually do this yourself. Quick, simple.
All you're gonna do, guys, if you can see this, one goes into the other piece, and that's pretty much it. There really is nothing else to it. Hold on. Okay, there you go, tighten them down. And do the same for the other one. That's it, and you're all done. So you put together one side, and we're gonna do the other side, and we're ready to go. And once we install it, you guys are gonna see just how easy it is and how fast it is to actually get it all done. So put together one side, let's get to the other side, and we're ready to go. guys, same thing you do on one side, you're gonna do on the other. And like I said, very easy to do. Pásale de acá de este lado, chavo. Sí, 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 pero. That's it. So go ahead and line up the holes. Acá te lo da, mira. Dale.
Ahí, más o menos ahí.
Ok, dale. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. So again, replacement bumper, there's really nothing else to it. Now all we're gonna do is flip it around and we're gonna go ahead and insert it in there. What's that? Esto está bien? If you guys want, close the hood. You can literally lift this part up yourself. You're gonna turn it around and you're gonna introduce the bumper to the truck. And that's it, guys. So if you take a look at it, we're gonna actually put the other bolts in there. Not bad, not a bad way to get a new bumper. Up arriba, chavo. All right, guys, so here's the fun part is now you're gonna have to match up your bolts here.
You're going to have 2 bolts on the top, 2 on the bottom, and of course you're going to have the same thing for the other side.
So now we're gonna go ahead and get that all done. Let's take a quick look. I think you're gonna need a 16 or a 17. I don't quite recall which one it is, but let's take a look here and see what's going on. So check this out. These are gonna go right in here. You're gonna have one there, one there. Now for some reason, if they don't line up, look up underneath, okay? You can actually stick your hand in here and there's the bracket or there's the other part where it connects to. So you can actually move it around and make the adjustments you need. So again, you can line it up and that should actually work. Okay guys, so once you get the actual bolt lined up, it might take a little bit of finesse, a little bit of a couple swear words, and then once they line up, there you go. See, you're ready to go. Now I didn't bring my electrical cord or my cordless ratchet, so go ahead and tighten that down. You can do the same on the other side. Now Tony's already taking care of the other side. So again, once you get these lined up, I believe we're gonna have one more or 2 more down here in the center, okay? So once we get that one, nope, doesn't want to line up. Anyway, we're gonna line them up. We're gonna make sure everything's nice and secure. We're gonna tighten it all down. We're gonna put our fog lights in there. Now we're not gonna put new fog lights because this one actually didn't buy new fog lights. We're gonna use the old ones. No big deal. So again, tighten it all down. I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end, and that's pretty much it. So again, quick, simple solution to replacing your bumper on your Cascadia. Okay, guys, there we go. Sorry, I'm a little rusty. Haven't done some videos in a while. So again, you want to line everything up. I left everything a little loose just in case you need to make some adjustments. So you can still tighten this down after. We're going to tighten down the ones here for the bracket. There's only 3. So again, we're going to do the same on the left, same on the right. We're going to tighten it down. All you're going to need is your 16 mil. That's it, 16 millimeter. So we're gonna tighten it down and get the fog lights, and we're pretty much done. All right, guys, check it out. So fog lights are installed. I'm gonna show you the other side just so you can see what you may experience. Let me get those lights on there. So take a look at that. Real easy to do. Again, get the studs in there. You might struggle a little bit. It might be offset just a hair, but again, a little swear word goes right in. So that's pretty much it, guys. So this is a great alternative to replacing the bumper as opposed to going with the OEM. So you're probably looking at maybe $600 for the whole thing plus your fog light. So let me know what you think. So we have the left side hooked up, right side hooked up. It does have the LED light bulbs that we inserted in here. So we're gonna do, just for some good measure, we're gonna pull it, make sure everything works. If it doesn't, obviously we're gonna have to make some adjustments. Bam, we've got one LED, but we don't have another. So plug, I think all you're gonna have to do is actually pull it. Let me put this down for a sec. Pull it. Let's see, did that work? Nope. Okay, so we're gonna pull it out. And what the hell's going on here? Oh, I forgot. There we go. Pull it out, and you're just gonna reverse it. Sometimes it's reverse. And let's see what happens. Bam. All right, fantastic. So we got everything hooked up. We got everything working. Fog light is what it needs to be. All we got to do is get the license plate mounted on there. We're going to do some pilot holes, and that's it, guys. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, it's a simple video. I thought it'd be helpful to some of you guys. I see a lot of bumpers out there that are pretty mangled and beat up. So anyway, if you guys like the video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. All right, guys, check that out. Little finished product. Again, nothing to write home about, but hey, the truck looks nicer. It's better than having a beat up, busted old bumper. And that's it, guys. So again, something you can do yourself. It'll probably take about 30 minutes, maybe less. If you have two people, let's just say an hour. There you go.